Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys? I hope that you're all fine and doing well. So my dear friends, here I'm back again with another stylish, another gorgeous, another beautiful collection of crochet top designs, crochet blouse designs. So guys, in this video you're gonna get many beautiful patterns, many beautiful designs of crochet blouse and tops. So this is a very nice collection guys. I hope that you are going to love this collection because all the designs and patterns are so amazing. They are unique, they are beautiful. I hope that after watching this video everyone will love to wear such beautiful blouse and such beautiful tops. So guys, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, and I hope that you are gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you and very useful for you. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you are loving these beautiful designs, so please do also like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how is the video, how the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. Tell me all this in the comment section, and please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.